Check out this 2010 Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a solid 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes rear-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.